In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a fantastic deal on Squarespace with promo codes step by step. Hi, I'm Jamie from Website Builder. If you're struggling with how to save money on your Squarespace subscription, this video walks you through exactly what you need to do so you can get a great discount on your annual plan. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do when looking for Squarespace promo codes is to click the link in the video description. This link will take you directly to the latest offers where you can get 36% off your annual plan. Now that you've accessed the promo page, it's time for step 2. Selecting your plan. Browse through the different plans available. Whether you're creating a personal blog, a business site, or an online store, choose the one that fits your needs best and click Get Started to begin your free trial. And once you've chosen your plan, it's time for step 3, applying your promo code at checkout. When you reach the checkout page, look for the box that says promo code. Enter my code provided in the link in the video description and hit apply to receive an extra 10% off your purchase. Additionally, I've also added links for some great Squarespace alternative website builders in the description if you'd like to explore other options. These alternatives often have their own discounts as well. There you have it. In just a few steps, you can save money with Squarespace promo codes. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, make sure to check out that link in the description for those exclusive discounts and start building your website today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on creating amazing websites.